5 things that will make life more meaningful. Searching for meaning in your life? Aren't we all? The good news, though, is that while this is quite an abstract pursuit that is hard to define, there are certain things we can do that will be almost guaranteed to give us a greater sense of purpose and meaning. Here are 5 changes that will make life seem more meaningful and even more valuable. 1. Relationships. Your relationships are crucial because they give you someone to share all your experiences with. When we have a friend or a partner we can share our deepest thoughts with, then we are impacting on someone else, and this has a profound effect on our happiness. Aim to cultivate the existing relationships in your life so that you can truly share everything. 2. Charity. Speaking of impacting on others, charity is one of the best ways to feel as though you are having a lasting and positive effect on the world around you. Studies show this triggers hormones relating to happiness and contentment, and it's something many people speak highly of. 3. Creativity. Another way that life can have more meaning is if you are creating something that might outlast you. This could be a painting, a business, or even just an idea. Whatever the case, we humans are born to build, and this is a great way to achieve a certain kind of immortality. Even if your work of art never reaches the status you hope, simply working toward it will give you purpose and direction. 4. Challenge. The body is designed to thrive under challenge and growth. The mind and the body alike are always changing and always adapting. The choice you have is whether you want them to grow better or worse. The only way you can influence this is by making sure that you constantly give yourself new things to learn, new stressors, and new adventures. Get outside your comfort zone. 5. Children. No one is saying that you need to have children to have a meaningful life. However, new parents will all tell you the same thing. Having children gives them a tremendous sense of purpose, of accomplishment, and of self-worth. This is a true way for you to leave something behind that out-survives you, and for you to pass on your knowledge and your experience as well. This is when many people tell you that life finally makes sense. Worth a try, maybe?